It's 4:30 and it's Friday and we're on our way. Ito's driving me, you can't see him, but oh well. See you at the job. 5 o'clock and we're here and it's dark. But all good. Concrete's not far away. Alright. Action on. We're on the last part of the driveway. Okay, let's go. Get this action on. Friday. Let's finish. What time do you reckon we're going to finish, guys? I reckon 12.
Are you asking me and you, or are you asking
I'm asking everyone. Right, it's 5:30 and we have got mud. Mud's going in the ground. Chris is doing his stretches. We all done our stretches already. You should always stretch at this time of morning. You should always stretch before you work. Jordan's into it, Messy's into it, Luca's into it, Troy's into it, Nathan's into it, and I'm about to get into it. Let's go. Mud's nice, looks good. Not too dry, not too wet. Boys are putting her out nice. Got a high pin there where that little yellow thing is. Alright. I think I'm good to go. Alright, I'm gonna get in there. You'll see in the next shot when we got something. We must be getting better. That one took 12 minutes to get rid of. Instead of 14 minutes that we're doing yesterday. But we're waiting. We've been waiting for a truck, but
You too. Me too.
everyone's in a good mood today. It's Friday. Nearly done.
It's Friday.
We'll get Luca on the screws for a bit. I just did this side here. Chris has been helping me do the other side really. Luca's just been jumping in. But he's going to try to go the whole way today. He went the whole way a couple of days ago. Chris pulling his own chain on his rake.
You know you're bad, Mitch. You know you're bad. I know. Oh, come on. Don't put me down in front of me. Don't put me down on that joint. Don't hurt. Especially in front of the camera. Hey, I'm just really good work. That's insulting. Big tough guy in front of the camera, right? How do you need? Touch me again, I'll fucking drop you in the concrete.
Oh, come on. That's no way to talk to your workers, Chris.
Let's make me kids. Let's not be love.
I think they're getting a bit excited. Being on camera or something. Good on you, Mitch. You stick behind your tar.
Yeah, I'm not playing.
You do the right thing, mate. We got Nathan on the bull plate here.
Yeah. This isn't my tool.
Good.
Oh, no.
It's a bit wettish.
Yeah, film, Dad?
Yeah.
Disinfecting tools that he doesn't own. That's a bad employee. Yeah? Yeah?
That's good screen.
And we'll fucking send it.
You're a dickhead, Jordan. I'll send it. Through the bush. Into the lemon trees. It's like a lemon orchard out here. There's all lemons. All these trees are lemons. If you're wondering what they are. Alright. Next truck is here. Alright.
Such children.
They are my children. Literally. Stand back here so we can get it all.
He's got nothing there, mate. Unlike you, you'd be like, huh? You know what? That's just me. Not you. Accurate. What are the shoulders work? Look, it's screaming nothing. Yeah. I still think it pencil this. Even though it's screaming nothing. I think it's actually there.
Beautiful. Alright, the next truck is here. We're all good. We got a concrete tester. Come and test the concrete. Right, it's 6:04 now. Second truck.
Hey, don't get one.
I said don't get a Colorado.
That second truck went a bit further. It was a bigger truck.
I think you really want
So it took a little bit extra. Still about 15 minutes, but boys are putting the key joint in again, as they do. Boys put the key joint in. Troy and Ronnie are chairing up, getting it ready. You all know about the chairs now. Chris showed you how the chairs work. 8500s. That was pretty funny, Chris, hey? Steve Irwin of Concrete, I reckon you are. Alright, here's the next truck. Okay.
Boys.
Alright. We got a bit more in.
That's when the boys are going to
Chris
see.
is
Can
taking-
put a price on love.
Taking my bay a bit further.
I just screen all this side off here.
Oh, did you, mate?
Nick has been on
Oh, you usually do, mate, but not today. Utah's been doing that side today. He's doing the whole way so far. He's doing very good. We're about halfway, you reckon?
Been on his phone, just filming.
Yeah.
Getting paid to be on his phone.
Yeah, I don't do nothing these days. I just film videos. And that's it. Yeah.
Sponsored.
They should pay me just to go to work then.
By the way, you never got.
Alright, we're just waiting for another truck. Troy's got his drone out. Might get a drone shot of him. Beautiful. Imagine that shot. Straight down the line.
That's pretty good high def.
Hey.
Is this GTO? GTA? Google Maps?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty sick. Oh, you're doing a measuring.
I'm trying to watch.
What's that, 6, 5? Is that up in the air?
Yeah, it's just worried about the trees.
It'd be good if I pressed record. I didn't even press
High
record.
on that.
Yeah, I got it good in.
Hey?
Easy.
The long driveway. All the way to the house.
Do you want Mitchie just touching his
So-
dick in the background?
So steady, huh?
You want Mitchie touching his dick in the background?
Yeah.
I'm not. Touching the girl. Have a quick play.
Whoa, she's back.
And then the truck runs over.
Straight over the door.
Concrete's here. We got another truck in. Got a bit further. The drone made it home safe.
Can't believe I screwed it. Too solid.
We got the key joint going in again. Guitar's still screwed on this side. He's still going.
It's not a race.
No, it's still in that way. I mean, he's like, he hasn't given up. I meant, he hasn't given up and passed it back over to Chris. Hasn't passed the gauntlet. Oh, we passed the gauntlet. I think we passed halfway. This key joint would have to be halfway. There's only one more key joint after that, and it's the end. Nice. So remember we got a little apex in the center along there. Trying to keep it spread as we can. Chris is doing a shit job for Utah raking back. Just tell him, Utah's just upping him the whole time. It's pretty embarrassing.
Best raker in the game, mate.
No, he's been
Just
going.
the Bobcat driver.
Give me a break, mate.
You give me a fuck.
I got a flat tyre, so I'm here helping the boys. I'll be here all week. Teaching you about chairs and shit. Oh, it's always a good time. Especially on a Friday. Right. Okay. Not sure what number it is. We're all good to go. We've got another 2 trucks in then. Couldn't stop, they just kept coming, so we just kept going. We've got one more truck left with a plus, so put the key joint in, and we're done. Right, it's 8:16. We've got the last little bit over there to put in. I'm going to start to finish now. Chris is going to screw that bay off for me. Utah screwed the whole side. Good work, Utah. Good stuff. Me and Nath have done the edges all the way down this side. So far, I've hit the helicopter once, a little tiny bit. We're going to go up there and check it out. Good work, boys. We've got a little bit of extra concrete there. It looks pretty good. Just broken this little section. This shade sucks, sorry guys, but what can I do? The trees make it look very weird. It's hard to actually see what's going on unless I go really close. The actual sun goes away, it's good, but the sun ain't going away today. Just have to hit it up. 40, we've done the trailered edges again. Jordan's done that edge down there. Hit a quarter of it so far. About to hit more again. Utah's having smoke. Utah did good on this grade. Good work, mate. See, one of my students has learnt. All right. I've broken half of it now. Hit it twice. Hopefully just hit it one more time and can start brooming it. Should go off pretty good. So far.
So I know some people like,
We won't show you much of the helicopter, we might show you right at the end when it's in the sun, so you can actually see something properly. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. One of them videos has got 12,000 views in 2 days, 3 days. It's awesome. You must have shared it for me, thank you. Right, we got a bit over half broken now. All the way down to there. It's all happened. I'm going to hit it now in a minute and then we're going to broom it. Alright, it's 10 to 10 and we've got a little bit of broomed off up there. This is going to broom down to that key joint. And working my way back slowly. Nearly down to that last key joint down there. Braking wise, which is looking pretty good. Nice. Right, it's all going off real quick. Got no time to film. It's going off back that way now. I'm coming back this way, and we're coming back this way, and we're probably gonna meet in the middle here. So yeah, time's on. I'll soon get a bit of shots on the helicopter. Acting on, this bit in the sun went off. So we're going to get the other little helicopter out and finish this bit off. This car's going to broom it now. We've got a little bit in the centre to do, and that's it. It's 10:30. She's over.
Friday.
We've got the daily newspaper of Australia. I want to do a story on this driveway. How cool is that? Got to give them a ring later. might have found some more sponsors for the videos as well. More giveaways I can do. If you want me to do a giveaway, leave a comment in this video and we'll see if I can give something away. Not this fella. So this is all broomed and this bit is not yet. So he's going to do that bit over there. And we've got to watch the sun. The sun will fuck you around. If you don't keep an eye on the sun where the sun is, you can lose it. So just do this last little bit. Helicoptered off, you've just seen that on the camera.
Come back to me.
The rest of it looks pretty good, huh? Yep.
I'll come back towards you.
Yeah, okay. Yep, it's drier there, yeah. For sure. We did good, boys, we did good. Let's go home, you tell. These boys can strip it. It's brooming the last bit off.
There's the 300,000.
There's the bloody, the richest car in the world. No.
$300,000.
250,000, isn't it?
Oh,
that's a choice.
300, so it sounds cool.
Yeah.
No one rounds it down, brother.
We're all just squeezing at his car.
Yeah.
And it's the missus drive. She's probably going playing with concrete further.
So I say. Looking good, looking good. Jordan, see that rock out there?
Get that rock out here, Jordan. To the rock part.
So I was doing the last bit of brooming. The driver ended up being 600 metres long. We did the first section last year. You see on my videos, you go back on my videos, you'll see us doing the big sections last year. It's part 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, of that video, of them days. There's 3 parts to this one, so if you missed the other bits, actually there's 4 parts to this one. I've been here for 4 days. There must be 4 videos.
It's been a fucking long week here.
Me and Utah poured 600 squares one morning and came here and poured one of these afterwards.
Good fun.
You'd see that, there's a video there, it's got 2 jobs in one day, that's what it meant. Because we're doing 2 jobs in one day.
Felt like 2 jobs in one.
Utah's just cleaning his broom every time. Like you should. Boys are stripping. They got a strip down to here already.
Last couple of brooms.
Yeah, they got all shade over here, so.
Huh?
It's all shady over here, it's weird.
Oh,
You can't see shit.
Awful. Huh?
That's alright.
Even worse. Now I've got nothing to go off.
Just go your last one, you're alright. That's alright. Do your last one.
Just do the last one?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to make last one. I'm not.
Good boy.
Huh?
Alright. You should have went to the... I told you to go to the key joint, the other one. Key joint's trying to float up on us today. They didn't every other day, but this day they did. Today they did.
Go do it again.
Alright, that's it. I'm going. Alright, she's all done. This is where we're stopping. We were going to go out to the road, but they wanted to stop here. So probably should put a ramp on there. It's going to be hard to get up there.
Must be bringing some lemons out, eh?
But she looks good. All the way down.
I think they got 200 workers here, so.
Nice work, guys. Trucks are leaving. It's all over. Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out all the different ones of this driveway if you like this one. If you can share the video for me, that would be awesome. If you can give it a thumbs up, that would be good too. Leave a comment. I answered all the comments the other day again. I answer all my comments all the time, so if you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. Check out the newspaper. We might be in the newspaper for this driveway, so we'll go and have a chat to these guys and see what they say. And yeah, anyway. Good work, boys. See you later, eh? See you, everyone. Bye. Yeah. Alright, see ya. Have fun. And it's Friday today too, so it's the weekend. Be careful. Don't take too many drugs. Don't drink and drive. Don't drug and drive because you just get in trouble just as bad. And you might hurt someone. But at the end of the day, make sure you have fun. Okay, see you, bye. Yeah.
Fuck! I fucked it!
I
fucked it! I have a cruise control on!
Do it, burn out so you can't even do it.
I have cruise control on!
Whatever, man.